Okay, so if you live like I do in an apartment, you don't have anything, garage or garden where you can sling a bag, heavy bag, bob, something like that. You've got to find ways to improvise home training tools. You could go out to the woods and hang a bag in the woods somewhere if you've got one. But I thought I'd put together this little baby. It's like a floor-to-ceiling ball. Cost probably about £3. Took about 3 minutes. So I've got a tennis ball, poked 2 holes in it. This elastic about 80p a metre, really sturdy stuff. Pulled that through, and now, so I've got this loop here, which I could put a hook on, or if I had joists, I could hook this to a joist, because this is so light, it's not really going to put any pressure on anything structural, so even just a standard joist in an apartment, if I've got one, or in a flimsy shed. But also I could take this out to the park and hook this around, just pull that through there, tie that around goalposts, soccer goalposts, or monkey bars, something like that. Hitch this end to something, kettlebell, something like that, big heavy rock, bag of sand. All I need is enough tension there to hang this, and then what I've got is I've got a floor-to-ceiling ball, and this is a really great tool. I mean, heavy bag works great, and this, that, and the other. You're getting all of that resistance, and you're working all the inside game and stuff. But floor-to-ceiling ball is a really great tool because you're working attack, defense, timing, slipping, ducking, moving, all of that stuff you can work on the floor-to-ceiling ball. All that fast reactions, and really helps you to pull in your technique and teach you what is going to work at speed and how fast you have to be able to react and to think about attack, defense as one entity. So it's a really great tool for £2 or £3 that you can put together there, and if you want to have resistance to that, so it feels more like you're working harder, you can put, wrap some ankle weights, wrist weights around your hands, so you've got more resistance there, and around your legs, so it's heavier, feels more like you're in water, so you've got more resistance there. Or you can use stuff like wrap these Pilates bands underneath here, and they give you a tight ear. You do this, the more resistance you're getting, and so then you're getting more resistance as you work that floor-ceiling ball, and it's more like, starts to feel more like the resistance you would get from working the pads or working the bag and so on. So there you go.